Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to K.Ash Capital. You're checking out the Small Account Challenge. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome for the Small Account Challenge update. And right here is my TradeStation balance. You see right here, I am in my equities account, not the simulated account. And if you look down at this box right here, you see total cash balance is $1,306.06. And then you see I have a liquidation value of options of $350. So the 65% profit is the cash balance plus the amount that I have in opens positions, which would be 350, equaling the 1656, equaling about 65% profit on the overall account so far in the small account. That's the update on that. Alright, here are the statistics so far. So far I have $608 of profit with an average daily gain of $121. Average winning is 180. So far I have done 5 trades, 4 winners, 1 loser, equaling 80% success rate. Largest winner is 184 and largest loser is 115. And that would be that one losing trade we have so far. I don't know why I keep saying we, but what I have so far. So then right here is the cumulative P&L. See, we've been going up, down, up, and hopefully we keep moving up. And the first target right now is to get the account to 2,000, which is where I can start doing combo spreads because I open up a margin account, because right now I have a cash account. Alright, I've already done this week, and this is where I made 6%. Now I need to I'll cover these ones. There we go. Alright, so the one loser. I'll go over JPM when I go to the day that I closed it, but here is NTAP. So I entered the trade for $1.97 and I stopped out with a loss at 82, so about a 50% loser. And now, why did I enter? So what I was anticipating was, actually, let me go to a different chart. We'll go up, because this was taken the day right before or after I entered. So this orange line is the 34 EMA. So every time it hits it, it bounces up, like right there, comes down right here, and then I was expecting to hit right here and then go up. It also is a slight ascending triangle, expecting it to break out and go. However, that did not happen. Love honoring your stop losses, whatever you determine them to be. Because if you look on this chart right here, you see that I entered the trade on that green triangle and exited on that red one for a loss. And it obviously didn't bounce at all or anything. So most people hold on to their trades and hope for a bounce, and that may work 1 or 2 times, but the times it don't work, you're just going to end up having a catastrophic loss and put yourself out of business. We're not going to be able to trade anymore. So honoring your stops. Another good example of it, because that one just kept falling, especially when the market turned down. Just kept on going down. So that's the one loss. Now, on this Thursday the 23rd, I opened Peloton, so I still have this trade open, so I'll cover this one right now. there's the day chart. I entered obviously on that green triangle that's right above right there. When I entered the trade, that candle was actually green. I'll go to the day chart and show it. But then we closed on a hammer candle on this, and then a big bullish candle right there. So those candle formations are leading me to hold on to the trade. I'm hoping to test the 33 area here soon, and that's when I'll close the position. But on the 5-minute chart, what my plan was is I waited, it rallied up, coming back down, found support, entered on that bullish engulfing candle. I was hoping for it to go up, but obviously it just fizzled out. But now we're looking good. Alright, on the 24th, I entered put. I'll go over that trade when I close it, because I closed it the very next day, or the very next opening day. So I made 536 on this day. So I closed the TLT, and this one, I entered this trade, and it's in this video right here. I'll mark it at the right, top right of your screen. And I believe that was in the small account challenge week 1. But I finally closed it. You can see I entered for 216, closed it for 5, a little over 100% profit. And now why did I enter? Now that first video that I put at the top right, it goes over it as well, but I'll briefly go over it right now. So it has this trend line going down. It broke out, pulled back, entered, and then it took off, and then I closed it at that red triangle. So it was a good, decent move right there. And the reason I closed it on that day instead of holding on, see at the open, it dipped down, found support, and retested that high of around 144 and pulled back down. For me, it was time to close it. It was also 25% of my total account value of a winner. So on these small accounts, if you get above 15% return of your total account value, it's better just to close that trade, pocket it, and roll into another trade. That way you keep compounding your winners. Now the Qs, this was decent trade, so why did I enter? So as you know, the whole overall market's been going up. Well, on this day, we gapped up and sold off. So we have a bearish engulfing candle on increased volume. So that was leading me to believe that we may open up lower on Monday, which we obviously did. So you see I entered, actually I'll go to the 5-minute chart. I'll show it, because I didn't hold that trade very long. So when you zoom in on the 5-minute chart, I entered right there on that green triangle and closed it the very next opening day right there. And I also closed that because I was 25% of my total account value. Yeah, so this one was 25%. The TLT trade was 28%. And the reason you also take it whenever you have that high return of your total account, because if you look right here, now we're rallying back up, and now it wouldn't be as big as a winner, still a winner, but not as big as a winner. So that's why you take your money and run, as they say. Well, that is all the trades that we have, or that I have done in the small account challenge. So far, going well. First target is 2,000, up 65% so far. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. I would definitely answer them. And like I said, yeah, thanks for watching and take care.